Good afternoon, students. So in the previous session we have completed exercise 11.4, question number 1 and 3, and question number 2 I told you to do by yourself. Now we see question number 4. A veranda of width 2.25 meter is constructed all along outside a room which is 5.5 meter long and 4 meter wide. Find first one the area of the veranda and the second one the cost of cementing the floor of the veranda at the rate of rupees 200 per meter square. So first of all we draw the diagram. So this is a diagram. The inner portion is your room whose length is 5.5 meter and width is 4 meter. Now outside we have to construct a veranda whose measurement is given, that is 2.25 meter. So what we have to do? We have to find the area of this veranda. For that what we have to do? First of all we find the area of whole, that is area of room and veranda. Then we will find the area of room, do the difference, whatever difference we are getting, that is the area of veranda. So for that, this is 2.25, so this is also 2.25. So if you consider the total breadth, so 4 centimeter is already given, so 4 plus 2.25 plus 2.25. So what is your answer? 8.5 meter. Now the total width is 8.5 meter. Same if you consider the length, room plus veranda. So that is 5.5 meter is the length of room. Both the side, this is 2.25, this is 2.25, that we have to add in 5.5 meters, so we get 10 meters. So the total length including veranda and room, that is 10 meters. So this way we can find the area of this total and area of this room, and whatever difference we are getting, that is the area of veranda. So let's see. So first we will find the area of room. Length is 5.5, breadth is 4 meter. L into B, area of the room, that is L into B, 5.5 into 4, we will get 22 meter square. Now total area of room with veranda, that time your length is 10 meter, breadth is 8.5 meter. So area is equal to L into B, 10 into 8.5, 85 meter square. Now we take the difference, so area of veranda is equal to what? Total area minus area of room. That is 85 minus 22. You will get 63 meter square. This is the answer of first question, that we have to find the area of veranda. Now what is the second question? Now we have to find the cost of cementing the floor of the veranda when the cost is given 200 per meter square. So 63 multiplied by 200 is 200 for 1 meter square. So for 63 meter, how much? Meter square, how much? That is 63 into 200. So the answer is rupees 12,600. So cost of cementing the floor of veranda is rupees 12,600. So this way we can solve question number 4. Students, question number 5 is same. Try to solve that question by yourself. If any query, you can ask me. Okay. So now move on to the next question. Question number 6. See the sixth question. The question is, two cross rods each of width 10 meter cut at right angles through the center of a rectangular park of length 700 meter and breadth 300 meter and parallel to its sides. Find the area of the roads. Also find the area of the park excluding cross roads. You have to write your answer in hectares. So first of all we draw the diagram. PQRS is the rectangular park where the length is 700 meter and breadth is 300 meter. Middle we have two cross roads which meet each other at right angles. Along with this width we have A, B, C, D cross road. Okay, and along with PQ we have E, F, G, H cross roads. So what is the question? We have to find the area of these crossroads, as well as we have to find the area of this section in which crossroad is not included. So first of all we will find the area of part. Length is given 700, breadth is 300. 300, L into B 700 into 300, what we will get? 2,10,000 meter square. Now we will find the area of this road, that is ABCD, where BC into DC, L into B, that is BC is 300, DC is 10, so 3,000 meter square. Now we will find the area of EFGH, so it is EF into EG, that is L into B, 700 into 10, 7,000 meter square. And now we will find the area of this KLMN. So one time the area of KLM we have to reduce, because when you find the area of ABCD, that time also KLMN included, and when you find the area of EFG at that time also the area of KLMN included. So we have to remove one time. So now, area of KLMN is 10 into 10, that is 100 meter square. So now we find area of crossroads. So area of crossroad is what? Area of ABCD plus area of EFGH minus area of KLMN. So that is 3,000 plus 7,000 minus 100. When you do the calculation, you will get 9,900 meters square. This is the area of crossroads. But the question is, we have to convert this meter square area into hectares. So what we have to do? We have to divide the whole by 10,000. So what we will get? 0.99 hectare. Next we have to find the area of park excluding this crossroads. Area of crossroads. So that is area of park excluding crossroads is equal to what? Total area of park, that is 2,10,000 minus area of crossroad, that is 9,900. We will get 2,01,000 meters square. This also we have to find in hectares. So we have to divide by 10,000. So what we will get? 20.10 hectare. So this way we can solve question number 6. Move on to the next question. Question number 7. Now we will see question number 8. Question number 7 you can do by yourself, because it is same as your question number 6. Only the measurements are different. So let's try to do that question by yourself. Now move on to the next question. Question number 8. Pragya wrapped a cord around a circular pipe of radius 4 cm and cut off the length required of the cord. Now she wrapped it around a square box of side 4 cm. Did she have any cord left? And if yes, then how much? So what we have to do? Here the radius is given. The radius is equal to 4 cm. Okay, and here length is given, that is also 4 cm. Now first of all, what Pragya did? Pragya did take a cord and round it, wrap it this circular portion and cut it. So first of all, we have to find the total length of the cord. So for that we have to find the circumference of this circle. So what is the answer? 2 pi r is the circumference. So what is given? Radius is equal to 4 cm. So we can find the circumference. The circumference is the total length of the cord. 2 pi r, which is equal to 2 into 3.14 into 4. What is the answer? 25.12 centimeters. So this is the total length of cord. Now you are taking the same cord and now wrap this square object whose length is equal to 4 centimeters. So how much cord is needed to wrap it and how much left, that we have to find. So what we can say now? Perimeter of square is equal to 4 into, and here what is your length? Length is equal to 14. So 4 into 4, what is the answer? 16 centimeters. So now what we have to do? When you wrap on the circular surface, the total length is 25.12. The same length you are taking and wrap the square. That time the cord needed is only 16 centimeters. So what is the question? Did total use, that is 25.12 minus 16. So what is the answer? 9.12 centimeter chord is left. So this way you can solve question number 8. Move on to the next question, question number 9.